Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, you are going to learn that how you can change the region or country in your Play Store. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store on your device. Once you go to your Play Store, the next thing you need to do is to tap on your profile icon. From there, you need to tap on Payments and Subscription. From here, you need to tap on Payment Methods. From here, you need to choose More Payments Settings. So it will bring you to the browser here. Maybe if you're not signed in, it will ask you to sign in first. If not, then if you're already signed in, just tap on the three lines at the top left corner. From here, you need to tap on Settings. So from here, you need to just scroll down the country or region. Here, as you can see, currently I am in Thailand. So if you want to change your country or region because you are now living in another country, so you need to just tap on the pencil icon. From here, they will ask you to create a new profile. So once you tap on create a new profile, they will ask you create a new payment profile. Then you need to tap on continue. From here, you need to choose the country or region. From here, if suppose just for the sake of the video, if I select any country like Belgium, and here you need to just tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, from here, as you can see, the country or region is Belgium. You need to enter all the info, account type, name and address. So once you have filled in everything here, just you need to submit and your country or region will be changed on Google Play Store. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.